Hi, Aki here from ESD Performance. Today we're taking a look of the new AVINUSA 12.3 E70 CIC device. It's the big screen. I've been a fan of AVINUSA for a long time. This is, I think, my fourth unit on my cars that I purchased. So today we're gonna do unboxing. The install videos coming later. So like I said, this is 12.3 inch 720p, and we paid about $550 with all the extras. We did not purchase the either Android Play or AirPlay for the Apple, because I don't use either of them. I'm an Android guy, but I'm using SIM card on this one, and I don't need to connect it to my phone. Only thing what I'm connecting to my phone is for phone calls. So if you want to see what's in the box and see how it looks and everything else, stay tuned. Let's open it up and see what's coming with it. So usually AVINUSA ones coming with the AVIN box, but I think it's so new, they haven't gotten the new box. So what we have in here is, first of all, screen protectors. See, this is the screen size. It is massive. So these are extra that you can choose from options. I always like to have screen protectors because it's a lot of touching, because it's a touch panel. So let's start with first, accessories. So microphone for the calls. This we're gonna install on the top where the original microphones are. This is a GPS antenna splitter, so you still have all your GPS function of the original radio, and you also have GPS functions with the new screen, like Waze, Google Maps, every kind of GPS function that you have. You need to have this splitter. Next thing. So this is the bracket to install it, which I like because the I think it's 10.3 is the previous one that I had on my car. You mount it all the way in there. So, but this one, it comes with a bracket, so you install the bracket, but you can still remove the monitor. So let's see how this works, because this is plastic. The monitor mounted on the last monitor on E70 mounted the 10.3 one mounted right away on there. So let's see how this works. Sorry. Morning coffee coming up. What else? Okay, so here we have all the cables. So there is another GPS antenna that you can use. But if you're using original one, you don't have to use it. This one I didn't even know, but I think it's a radio antenna. That's a good thing. That's a good. So this is the cables that you need to plug in between your radio, and then you have also your speaker for the beeps and everything else. So there's a lot of options on this this AVINUSA unit. It's like you have cameras, you can have audio runs through like on aux. I don't know where the aux ends is here. Interesting. Yeah, now I remember. You need to, I think, remove the one that comes with it and then use the other one that is this one to put it on the aux in the handrest. So for all the install video we're gonna do, we're gonna explain everything, where everything goes, and there is also extra cables for video out, so you can put screens on your backrests, or for the kids or whatever, or for the passenger, and these are for the USBs, so you can run music, video, whatever, like from USB plugs, whatever you want to do. This is for USB. This usually gonna be routed to the glove box, so it's easy access. This one we're not gonna use. No, this one we're gonna use only for the microphone. Rest of them we're not gonna use. That's it. and then you know like aux in rear, okay, and aux in left. Okay, so there's a in, but there's no out. So my car, the E70 that I have this time, is has shitty speakers. It doesn't have even an amp. So what I'm trying to do with this unit now is to install 2 amps and more speakers in the car, and let's see how this goes out. And this is the screen. I guess we're missing a couple of other things that I ordered, but I guess I gotta contact them. I just got this kit, so see how huge is the screen. Whew. I hope it's gonna look great, because the 10-inch looked great. So it has a SIM card and the memory card option in here, and then there is a seal in here from AVIN, so if you open this up you're gonna lose all the warranty. So this is an unboxing for the 12.5, and there is a thank you card in here from AVIN, you know, like to thank you. I am missing a couple of extra options that I purchased, so I gotta contact them. But it's good with them, you know, like because they are a company from USA. They are in California. They answer quickly. So anytime you have problems, they can ship you right away, which is a great thing with these things, because if it would be like coming from China or something, and you wait for like a couple months, and then something is missing, and then you're gonna wait another couple of months until you can able to install it. But for us, it's quick, you know, like, and the extra what we ordered is a button upgrade, but that's easy, you know, like I don't have to have that button right away, but in the same time, you know, like I would love to change that and be done with all of it. So if you want to watch how we're gonna install it, how to install it, and how it's gonna look, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next time.